Hello everyone, and for this particular session I'm going to teach you how you can install SSL or activate SSL on your WordPress website. Now, as you can see here on this particular website, as our test website, it doesn't have SSL enabled yet. As you can see, it says not secure, which means no SSL enabled yet for that particular website. Now, to activate SSL on this website, what we need to do is we just have to go to your WordPress dashboard and of course go to the plugin section of your website so that we can install that certain plugin that will activate SSL on your WordPress website. Now, that particular plugin we're looking for is called Really Simple SSL, and to install that, of course, you just have to click on Add New within your plugins dashboard. And again, once you are on this page, type in the name of the plugin called Really Simple SSL, and we are specifically looking for this particular plugin just to make sure that you install the right plugin that I have shown you here. So again, click on install now, and once installed, just activate. Click on activate, and it will tell you that the site is ready to migrate to SSL. And what you're gonna do is just click on go ahead and activate SSL. Once SSL is activated, go to the settings section of the plugin we just installed. Alright, and once you are on the settings page for the plugin we just installed, enable this option that says WordPress 301 redirect enabled. We recommend to enable the 301 that it's the access redirect option on your specific setup. Enable that one. So just click on enable so that it will bring you to the settings tab and click on this particular option. Alright, once that's done, just click save to save the changes, and that's all it. The site is now SSL enabled, and you can of course check the site if it already has SSL. As you can see earlier, the site is not yet secure, or it doesn't have its HTTPS enabled here. So we can check it now to see if the Really Simple SSL plugin did a job for us. Right, so I'm going to open it here, and as you can see, the website is now loaded with HTTPS or SSL enabled already. There you go. So that's basically how you install SSL on your WordPress website. But one important thing I want you to understand, that you can only do this if you have SSL certificate available on your web hosting service. Normally, for web hosting providers, they provide SSL, or they will let you buy the SSL certificate separately. On our case, with TechWorks Hosting, we provide SSL certificate for free. That means if you purchase web hosting plan or package from TechWorks Hosting, you can just do and enable SSL on your website easily. You don't need to purchase any SSL certificate. We will take care of that for you. Alright, I hope this video tutorial is very useful for you, and see you on the next tutorials on WordPress, e-commerce, and digital marketing. Thank you.